Hi, if you want to add widgets to home screen on your Samsung Galaxy S25, then you need to simply press and hold any free space on the screen like that, and on the bottom choose widgets. After that, you would see this list of widgets which you can add. Those are suggested, for example, sleep time. Let's add one from suggested options and one from just this app list. For that, I'm gonna tap the widget and tap button Add. And here it is. Now we can resize it by dragging the corners like this. Also, we can press and hold it. And here we'd find this option to create stack or remove the widget. And now let's add another one. For that, I'm gonna press and hold the tab again, tap on widgets. And let's add, for example, battery. Here, as you can see, we got many styles as our battery widget. Let's pick the square one. I'm gonna also tap it and tap Add. Let's tap OK, and this is how it will look. We can immediately resize it as well by pressing and holding and dragging the corners. Also, we can press and hold it again, open settings, and choose devices to show. Galaxy Watch, Galaxy Fit, Galaxy Ring, Buds, other devices, and of course, phone. After that, we can enable or disable background. And once enabled, you can enable to match phone setting, or you can manually switch to dark option or maybe a light option. And you can also adjust its transparency, so you can make it almost invisible. And then just tap Save to save the changes. If you want to move it to the next page, then hold it and drag across the border like that, and then drop on the page, tap the screen, and that's it. To remove the widget, hold it again, and here choose this option Remove, and it would be gone. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.